Just hours ago, the Iowa Supreme Court refusing to unblock a strict ban on most abortions. The blocked law would have banned abortions once cardiac activity can be detected, usually around 6 weeks. Well, Friday's ruling means the current abortion law, which bans the procedure after 20 weeks, is still in place. The court ruling was split 3-3 with one justice recusing themselves. It's taken years to get to this ruling. So how did we get here? I'm going to walk you through it. Reynolds signed her 6-week abortion bill in 2018. Weeks later, Planned Parenthood of the Heartland filed an injunction, meaning the law could not move forward right away. In early 2019, a Polk County judge struck down the bill altogether. He based that decision saying abortion is a fundamental right under the Iowa Constitution. But then last year, a different Supreme Court said, hold up, and reversed the earlier Supreme Court's ruling that abortion is a guaranteed right. So now Reynolds is back in court asking the justices to lift the previous injunction, using the argument that the Iowa Constitution no longer guarantees a right to choose. So what could happen tomorrow? Local 5's Mary Sugden has been following this challenge through the courts and joins us now with what we know. Mary, we know the justices were split in this decision. How did this happen, and what do we know right now?
Yes, Samantha, so there are 7 justices on the Iowa Supreme Court, but in this case, Dana Oxley recused herself from this case, meaning that she didn't hear any arguments or weigh in on any opinion. So in this case, only 6 justices heard this case, and ultimately they split 3-3. So Justices Waterman, Christensen, and Mansfield agreed not to overturn the lower court, while Justices McDermott, May, and McDonald, however, disagreed, saying they'd move to dissolve the injunction. Now, when this happens, the Supreme Court takes no opinion and it affirms whatever the lower court decided. So looking at this case, a Polk County judge last December denied Kim Reynolds' attorneys a claim to dissolve this injunction. So that becomes the law here in the state. And what that means is that abortion remains legal here in Iowa up to 20 weeks. Now, of course, these documents are very complex. There's a lot of moving pieces, a lot of nuances. So we'll be following this throughout the day, working with legal experts to break this down and help you understand what the ruling means for you. But live outside the Iowa Supreme Court, Mary Sugden, Local 5 News. Samantha, back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Mary.